Hello, welcome to the tutorial world. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest content, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload. Hello everyone, today we'll be working on the basic scripting for JMeter. If you don't have JMeter installed, please refer to the installing JMeter video. Now, let's open the JMeter and right-click on the test plan. Then we're going to add thread group and rename it here. I'm just renaming the thread group as Amazon site. You can rename whatever you want according to your project. Right click on the thread group and add this sampler HTTP request and put in appropriate URLs. Now I'm going to give it a dry run, but before that, I'm adding a listener called view result tree, where we can see the test results. Once we add it, we can save the script. And while we save, we'll be asked to give a name. And I can give any name according to my project. Once saved, I hit the play button, and once it ran, we see it failed. So we will send a request. So we sent the request, but we did not get the response. I did not have an internet connection after making a connection request for the internet. I send a request again, and I see the response properly. And we can see the response in different ways. Examples, HTML and text. This is the HTML view. This is the request, and this is the sample result and the response data. So that means our script is working. Now just say I want to run the test, and for our learning purpose, I'm going to run 100 threads. If I want to run 100 threads, I'm going to increase it to 100 and ramp up. I want to put 100 seconds, ramp up 1 second per one user. I'm adding another listener graph result. Here's one of the things you can add any listener to view the way you want, based on your project. Once I'm ready, I hit the play button, and the test will start running. As the test is running, you can see the test result in the listeners you added, view result tree, and the graph results users are ramping up. Increasing the users while you run the test, you can see the test result here in the listeners. And you can see all the data throughput, average divination, and all those kinds of matrix that you can see here. As you can see, number of users are increasing. The requester is going to Amazon.com. That's what we put in the URL at the request. This is just a basic test with basic scripting. Coming next with more challenging scripting and test practices. Also coming are correlation parameterization, test plan, and elements of test plans, preprocessors, and so on. We have a video of how to download and installation of JMeter, so stay connected. Thanks for watching till the end. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, please leave a comment down below. We'd like to hear from y'all. And please share this video with other people.